farm school, we will communicate with nature. We can plant gardens, grow flowers and herbs, and then cook with them in our kitchen with a chef.
There are animals to care for. Meat geese, chickens, goats, sheep, horses and dogs.
You can enjoy football, swimming, horseback riding, cycling, roller skating, and rowing.
Each day there will be educational workshops in Polish and English with our native English-speaking teachers. Evenings are spent around a campfire, having fun with friends, playing games and enjoying pajama parties.
We have prepared more than 30 beds for our summer camp students in beautiful and cozy rooms. Our farm school kitchen will serve healthy and homemade meals. The vegetables are picked fresh from our farm school garden. Our tradition of running green and white schools here at Warsaw Montessori family are more than 15 years old. Our summer camp instructors, teachers and specialists are well experienced and very skilled in supervision of children. They will care for your child with passion and dedication and a big heart to make sure the summer camp will be an unforgettable experience for your children.